Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a fog in 3ds Max. So let's get started. Here I just took the test render from my scene. So as you see it, all of these trees in the same color, same variation and same tones. So I don't want to do this because I want to, it should be depth, should be depth, because this is just like a straight. But if you look to real photos, so you will see to who is from far, all of these trees. It should be so similar with the sky color, because when you put some trees in the front, okay, this is okay, because here is front, middle, and should be background, front ground, middle ground, and background should be. So when I put some tree in this render, these trees should do same tone with the sky. So now my sky is the white, almost white. So let's get started, and I think you will understand with practicing. So for this reason I'm gonna create one box. Okay, this box is including these trees, maybe something like this, yes. So I came to material editor with shortcase M, and I create new materials, Corona volume material. So I assign this material to here. So let's go to test render scene. Okay, now I should have to change to scattering and absorption color. I am copying this absorption color to scattering, and I click the copy. Okay, now when I change this distance, you will see to one color is scattering this box. Okay, so I will continue to raise maybe 100. As you see, the fog start to work now. 5,000, maybe 4,000 is okay, I think. Yeah. This is the most easy and fastest way for creating a fog. So you can change the size even. You can change the size and including other trees. Something like this. Now is the render become more deeply, more realistic, because now I can understand this house is far from this camera and this trees is more far. So let's we can create also to, I can show you to when you change the sky. I change the sky, track reflection. Okay. I'm gonna put some Corona sky. Enable clothes. I'm gonna put some clothes for understand better. And intensity maybe lower. No. As you see, when I change to sky, this is still is working to, still is similar color with the sky, because it's white. We use mostly green and gray and white. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like video or comment, and I'm gonna teach you how to create renders in Corona this scene as soon as possible. I'm trying to take training and video, so good days.